to the NKU Teaching Kitchen. I'm Bryan. I'm the chef down here at North Commons. Today I'm going to take some ordinary everyday ramen and turn it into something special. I'm going to do two different things. Take some ramen and make what I call a faux chicken pho. It's a little spin on a chicken pho, classic Vietnamese soup. We're going to take use everyday ingredients, some chicken, some lime, some fresh cilantro, and aromatics like garlic and ginger, and create a nice little South Asian dish for our first ramen. And the next one's going to be more of a traditional Japanese spin with some tofu, some mushrooms, a little soy sauce to really kick up the umami flavor, and use our ramen as a base for a nice little Japanese style soup. So grab your chopsticks and come along and we'll make some ramen. Alright, well, for the faux chicken pho, I'll start with some garlic, some fresh ginger, and we'll just give those a little mince. These are the nice little aromatics that are going to give the broth that nice, bright Asian flair to it. So we got garlic and ginger ready to go. And it's real quick and easy. Some sesame oil into a pot. Garlic and ginger. We just want to sweat that a little bit, just so that they start to release their nice aromas. Get a little bit brown. I'm going to add in our ramen and chicken broth. And we'll let that start to get hot. I also have some cooked chicken. It's just been diced up. I'll add that into our soup. It's just that quick and easy. The garlic and ginger will give that chicken broth a nice little flavor. The other thing to add, quick little couple dashes of fish sauce. Fish sauce is a fermented sauce popular in Thailand and Vietnam. It gives dishes that nice little South Asian flavor, and then just a few little dashes kind of help it out. And once this comes up to a boil, it'll cook pretty fast. While it's coming up, I got some jalapeno here, nice big jalapenos. The nice thing about a dish like this, you can use kind of as much or as little as you want. If you like it spicy, you can use a whole jalapeno. If you just want a little bit of spice, just a couple slices. So what I'll do, just to get a little bit of spice into the broth, I'll put a couple slices in there while it's cooking, and the rest I'll save to add to it when the dish is done. Also got some lime here. Give a little squeeze of lime. So we'll have some fresh jalapeno to add, and
I haven't made it past round one.
some fresh cilantro. Another thing, kind of like jalapeno, you can add as much as you want to taste. I like a lot of cilantro in mine. Gives it a nice, fresh, green, bright flavor. Alright, come up to a boil. Noodles are cooked. Go ahead and dish it up. Take the broth and just pour it right on over. Give it a nice bowl of soup. And then with pho, traditional garnishes are cilantro, jalapeno, the lime. So we just add a little jalapeno here to each one. Big old handful of that cilantro. Give it a nice fresh squeeze of lime. And you're ready to go. Alright, so we have our two ramens here. We got the faux chicken pho, with that nice diced chicken, a bunch of cilantro on top, and little lime slices, and our nice little hot, spicy slices of jalapeno in there, and then our little Japanese style ramen, with the mushrooms and the tofu, a little egg and green onion there, a couple nice little ramen dishes that you can make in a small little space. And I certainly encourage you to go to the grocery store, see what ingredients you can find with sauces and vegetables and whatever flavors you can think of to add to your ramen to make it special. Hope you enjoy it.